pumping gas in the F80, and then it all filled up. Today is gonna be a very busy day, guys. We got a lot of stuff happening today, and my camera's about to break. I showed you guys in the last vlog, but yeah, my whole lens is like coming off, bro. I don't know if you guys are able to see this. Hoping my camera doesn't break before SEMA. Anyways, today is a very busy day, guys. What's up? Thank you for watching another video. Right now, we're about to meet up with the homie Kevin, wash his car, and then we're gonna meet up with the homie Brap Vlogs. You guys remember Brap? We hung out with him back in Florida and Miami. He's another YouTuber. He does like dirt bike content, car content. He has a Lambo, he has a Hellcat, he has a bunch of sick ass cars. 2 Lambos, he has a Urus and a Huracan. My boy Brap is killing it, but he is out here in LA. I don't know what we're gonna do. He rented a Urus while he's out here, so probably go drive around for a little bit, cruise a bit, make some content, and then tonight, such a long day. Tonight, I'm gonna go home, we get a haircut, and then bust a mission all the way to Vegas, because today we are going to Vegas. Tonight, guys, we're gonna drive all through the night and go to SEMA tomorrow. I cannot wait, but it's gonna be a very long day and a very long drive. I already know, we're not gonna get to Vegas till maybe like 1 in the morning. We're gonna do it somehow. I honestly should have been on my way to Vegas already, but I wanted to get with the homie Brap. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Smash the like button right now. Oh my God, bro. I really feel like this camera's not gonna make it to Vegas. The lens is completely falling apart. What should I do, guys? I definitely need a new camera, huh? Like, there's no fixing this, I think. This is not good, bro. Right before SEMA. I definitely gonna buy a new lens, dude. Damn it. What the? Is that a Tesla police car? Bro, what was that? I think it was a Tesla police car. We got Kevin here. The car almost hit me. Look who made it, guys. My boy Brap in the Urus. Asshole. Alright, guys, we have had a very long day, literally. And I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I said it in the beginning of the video, but we just kicked it with Brap. We didn't really do much. We went to Rodeo Drive. We went shopping for a bit. Really just kicking it and chilling. Didn't really get to vlog much. Didn't really do much car stuff either, but like I said, he never comes down, so we got to hang out for a bit. We're on the way home right now from LA. Gotta get a haircut still. It is 8:30 p.m. I'm about to get a haircut barely. Then I still have to pack for SEMA. I haven't even packed for Vegas, bro. Hurry up, get in the car, and drive to Vegas. We got like a 3 or 4 hour drive. Probably not gonna get to Vegas till like 1, maybe even 2 in the morning. Watch, I already know. Check into the hotel, hopefully, get some sleep, and then wake up literally like 7 or something and go to SEMA. Can't wait. Look at it, little Subi. Alright, guys, about 3 hours later, maybe longer. It is 12:30 in the morning on Thursday morning now. It already flipped to the next day. And we are barely on the way to Vegas now at midnight, literally. But I convinced Kevin to come. Kevin's coming with the homie Econ in the F80. Great way to... What is he doing, bro? As you can tell, we're all a little delusional, tired, and we're really about to bust this 3-hour mission to Vegas. Actually like 3.5 hours, so let's get it. We'll probably make it like 3 hours though. Chris is just flashing his lights and man. But yeah, we got the M8, we got Chris with the red F80, and then we got my F80. Let's go. At least I didn't get to drive alone. I was gonna drive alone, guys, all night by myself, so good thing I convinced the homies to drive with me. Just in case, you know, if anything happens on the way, we're not stranded in the middle of the desert by ourselves. That's the last thing you want. What's up, G? I really convinced you guys to come?
We weren't gonna come.
I know.
We literally just decided like a couple hours ago.
You guys still don't even have a hotel.
Rich!
But yeah, this should be fun. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Look what we just found. A freaking R34, bro. No way. How is this driving right out of Vegas, bro? Ugh. Guys, look, we're stuck on the side of the freeway. No way, dude. On the way to Vegas. Stuck. Freaking Chris, bro. We're stuck on the side, bro. 4. Oh my God, it went up even more. Now it says 444, and lady was saying 3 something. You guys see the wheels? No way this dude's driving like that. She fuck with small. Look at that shit with the lights. Hey guys, first pit stop. Oh my god, we've been driving for 2 hours maybe. Got the M8. You can hear the fans going. We're smashing, bro. We got the F80. I got my F80. So far, so good. Car still looks pretty clean, a little bit. It is 2 a.m. guys. I am tired though, guys. I am exhausted. I'm running on a Celsius, and I already know tomorrow I'll be so tired on no sleep. I already know. And all day at SEMA. Where's Kevin at?
Half asleep.
Why you look like that, G?
Sleeping. Tired, bro.
Come on. We're gonna go party. We're gonna go to the club as soon as we get there. They're still open. You're really asleep?
Yes.
Must be nice, G. I'm over here driving. I know. How are the bucket seats? Are bad?
Bucket seats are.
They got carbon bucket seats. That shit not the move for a road trip. We made it after a freaking long ass drive. So yeah, guys, we made it. It is cold. It is very cold. At one point during the drive, my car like had a warning thing and it said it's 37 degrees outside. It's freezing, but that was in the middle of the desert. Now it's like 54. Still cold as hell. But look, you can see they're setting up for the F1 race. This is where the F1 racing is gonna be. I wish I could go, bro. I'm gonna see. I mean, I want to see if I can get tickets, but I heard the tickets are like $4 grand. Insane. But look, they're literally working all night, 4 in the morning, and they're still working on to build the track. First time ever in Vegas. It's gonna be insane, dude. I wish I could come, but anyways, we made it. 4 in the morning. I am exhausted. Like I said, we're gonna go to the hotel, check in, and then wake up and go to SEMA. Can I go this way? Look at that, guys. They're literally building the track right now. All the gates. Damn, they really work all night. It doesn't even look like Vegas anymore because of all this stuff. They completely... Look at this. It's literally a full-on racetrack. Damn, F1's gonna be crazy here. It's funny because all like the people that live here, they're all mad. Yeah? That they're making the whole street like this. Like they're putting up so much stuff. I feel so relieved to just get here, guys. I'm exhausted. Look, there's SEMA, guys. The convention center. We'll be there tomorrow. Oh, in a couple hours. All right, guys. Finally made it to the room. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it, bro? 4:30, dude. Oh my God. I can't believe we're still awake, but cool little room. Not too bad. We got a kitchen. We got a living room. We're not even going to be in here, to be honest. We're going to be out all day, but our little view. Not bad. What I could say though is the parking garage was not low car friendly, bro. It took me like 30 minutes to even get into the parking structure. Over every speed bump I had to go hella slow, but anyways, we finally made it. The car is parked. Hopefully it's safe. Got a little restroom. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Bed. Well, that bed looks so comfortable. I just want to sleep in there for like 12 hours. But guess what? We can't. We gotta wake up at, I think we're meeting Joseph at 9, I think. So yeah, like literally 4 hours of sleep. I don't know if I have a full vlog. If I don't, I am sorry. We could show what I brought. I don't know. I'm trying to fill up the vlog, guys. We brought the mochas. I don't know. A lot of people have been asking me to show my shoes. But we got the mochas today. Well, this week. I low-key don't wear these much because honestly, you see that? That shit is disgusting. That might be throw up from Las Vegas. Is that gross?
You told me that.
Yeah, I think this is throw up from Las Vegas, guys. But I tried cleaning it. But yeah, these were like they were brand new. They were like one of my favorites. But we got the mochas. We got the black cats. You can't even see them, bro. Sheesh. And then we got, I think they're called the Royal Blues, I think. I don't know. I brought these because these are kind of like the beaters that I just be wearing all the time. And we got the Yeezy slides, you know. But yeah, those are the only shoes we brought this weekend. A couple colors. I wish I filmed more today, but there's gonna be a ton of content at SEMA, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be lit. I'm excited. I cannot wait to go, bro. I've been literally dying watching everyone's stories these past couple days of SEMA, and I'm the last person to be here. I feel like we're here Thursday, Friday, 2 full days. I feel like it's the best days though. Like the last day is the best. You see the rollout, you see all the cars leave. And then Friday night, Chazzy is throwing a huge car meet here in Vegas. So all the cars that are in SEMA are probably gonna go. Overall, it's gonna be a lot of content. I know SEMA, we could probably make like an hour vlog showing all the cars because it's a lot of freaking cars. The one I'm most excited to see is TJ Hunt's G82 M4, the GT3 wide body kit. That thing is insane. That's like one of the cars I'm excited to see. I can answer some questions. Q&A. 4 a.m. Q&A. Ask me a question.
What's your biggest fear?
Snakes. Next question. What do you think people want to know?
You already told them how you started YouTube.
How I started YouTube? Oh,
Have you ever had a real job?
Have I ever had a real job? Yeah, I think I said that once.
Would you go
I was
back
a
to
security guard at one point, guys. Me. Little Nick was a security guard. I don't know who the heck I was gonna stop if someone tried breaking into the place, but I was a security guard. I low-key would just sleep all night because it was graveyard shifts, 6 to 6 in the morning. It was horrible. But no, I would never go back to a regular job. I feel like that job made me realize, like, hell no, I can't do this. Nothing against 9 to 5s, guys, but there's a lot more stuff out there. You can make a lot more money and you get a lot more free time too. That's why I try to tell everyone, do YouTube, bro. Like, it's not bad. It's a cool start. And then you can use your YouTube platform to branch out and make more money elsewhere, like merch and stuff like that. But no, I would never do a regular job again. Hell no, it's not worth it. Like 12-hour shifts and the money I was making a week, I'm literally making that in one YouTube video. How crazy is that? I used to work a whole week of 12-hour shifts. How many hours is that? 60? I don't even know. 60 hours? And I would make the same amount of money that I make on one YouTube video now. That is insane. So after realizing that, no, I'll never get a regular job. And that's why I try so hard to post every single day. Some people told me to take a break, but nope, I can't take no break. I gotta keep going.
If you weren't doing YouTube, what would you be doing right now? Like career-wise?
OnlyFans. Race car driver. Try to get into racing.
You would do it, like you would actively pursue that instead of
Maybe.
not photography.
Something fun, or photography, or videography, or film music videos. I think music videos would be sick as heck.
What's your all-time favorite shoe?
All-time favorite
Number
shoe?
one.
Probably the black cats. Those are hard. Or the bread toes, the red ones that I wear. But I beat the heck out of them. Those are my favorite shoes. And it took me forever to like buy them because they were like $600. And I couldn't find myself to spend $600 on shoes. I was like, hell no, bro. But those are like my first, I think, ones that I bought, Jordan ones. And they're like my favorite ones. $600 bread toes. And I literally beat them up. I don't even wear them that much more because they look like crap. I need to buy another pair. Anyways, what else?
What sports did you play? in
Football.
high school?
And
Only football?
I joined wrestling in high school for like a month, and I was out.
You were unitard?
That's why I didn't want to go in. That's why I left, because I didn't want to wear it's called the sling, and I didn't want to wear that.
A sling is crazy.
Yeah, and your little peckers hanging out.
Sling?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All right, what else? One more question. We're literally doing a 4 a.m. Q&A.
Okay, yeah, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
10 years?
10 years.
I better have a SBJ. 10 years? You got plenty. That's plenty of time to get an SBJ. I need SBJ. I'll be what? 36? I better have a freaking SBJ by then.
SBJ in what? Where do you see yourself living? Like what?
A shed. Or living in the SBJ. I don't care. I'm kidding. I would want a little house, but I don't even care to have like a big old mansion. I'd rather have like a bunch of sick ass cars and like a little house that's cozy and just chill. Nice
you
house.
You want to be retired? You still want to be doing YouTube?
Doing YouTube in 10 years? Probably not. I think in 10 years I want like, I don't want to work. I just want money to be flowing in, like businesses and stuff like that. I don't even want to vlog. Right now I'm just trying to vlog as much as I could because like I said, this could build like a following that could make and fund other businesses and stuff like that. And hopefully in 10 years I'll have the SBJ and the money will just keep flowing in on its own. I don't even need to freaking vlog. I don't need to do nothing. But maybe I'll be making videos for fun. Even if I'm like stupid rich with SBJ stuff, I'll probably still make like little YouTube videos. Have a filmer. Okay, that's the last question. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Long day today. Tomorrow's gonna be even longer. Friday's gonna be even longer. And then Saturday we drive all the way back home. So hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Q&A at the end. I think that was kind of fun. I just wanted to extend the vlog and finish this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I am exhausted. I can't believe I'm still vlogging. Yeah. I am delusional. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.